Wakefield is part of the Rhubarb Triangle of Yorkshire. The other two areas making up the triangle are Leeds and Bradford. Wakefield especially celebrates its rhubarb heritage with the Wakefield Festival of Food, Drink and Rhubarb, held in February. The rhubarb is special because it is forced. This means that it has been encouraged to grow sooner than it naturally would, providing an early crop. The rhubarb is grown in artificial conditions where it is fooled into thinking it is time to grow. In candlelit forcing sheds, the rhubarb is nourished and nurtured and then hand-picked when ready. The rhubarb grows very quickly, up to 5 centimeters a day, and you can actually hear it emerging from the soil. What other food plant can you hear creaking as it grows? It's pretty amazing stuff. The resulting vegetable, yes, it is technically a vegetable, is pink-skinned but white inside. Good quality specimens are between 40 and 45 centimeters long and between 1 and 2 centimeters thick. The taste is delicately acidic. Yorkshire forced rhubarb has now gained the hallowed status of protected designation of origin, issued under the European Commission's Protected Food Names Scheme, and becomes the 41st British foodstuff to make the list. It has also reached star status at Chelsea Flower Show with a garden dedicated to it. The 2010 Courtyard Gardens section entry to the show was called the Rhubarb and Custard Garden. Rhubarb plants for the centerpiece were supplied by E. Oldroyd & Sons, and the carpet of yellow custard was represented by a mat of golden sedum. Terracotta forcing pots were on show and supplied by the York Handmade Brick Company. The garden won a silver medal and was voted the public's favorite small garden. Big-name chefs such as Hugh Fearnley-Whittingstall, James Martin, Marco Pierre White and Jean-Christophe Novelli are all fans of Yorkshire forced rhubarb. Rick Stein has endorsed E. Oldroyd & Sons as a Rick Stein food hero producer, and 5 generations of the family have now been in the rhubarb industry. If you like this video, please share, like, and subscribe to our channel. Have a nice day.